Hi, welcome to the IMPIXEL YouTube channel. Today, I'll be giving you a quick rundown on how to operate the Sony FS5. In this video, we'll be going through recording formats, manual exposure controls, focus, and audio controls. So to start off, over here you can find the power button, which of course turns on the camera. And this is the LCD, and you can find the power switch right on top. The SD cards can be inserted over here, and you can find the slot select button next to the cell/set wheel to decide which card the camera records to. If you didn't know, the Sony FS5 is capable of 3 different recording formats: XAVC HD, XAVC QFHD 4K, and AVC HD. For XAVC HD, set it at 50 megabits per second, and for 4K recording, set it at 100 Mbps. Next up, manual exposure controls. If you wish to control the settings for manual exposure, you can find the buttons for ISO, white balance, and shutter on this side of the camera. Manual iris adjustments can be made by turning this wheel. Make sure to select the iris switch next to it first. The ND filter knob should always be in the clear position. After all this, if you have decided to just use auto, press this button to go from full manual exposure to auto exposure. For focus controls, the auto or manual focus toggle can be found on this camera side. When it's in manual mode, you can control the focus with the smaller width ring on the attached lens. For autofocusing, toggle the switch to auto. Now, in the camera kit, you will find a condenser microphone that should be attached to XLR input 2 and set it to mic plus 48V. Over here, you can flip open this door to adjust the audio levels manually, but usually auto does just as well on its own. If you wish to plug in your own earpiece or headphones, you can find the headphone jack in this corner right next to the battery. And that's it for our tutorial video on how to use the Sony FS5. I hope that you found this guide useful, and if you did, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the IMPIXEL channel. Comment below what tutorial you'd like to see us do next, and I hope to see you again here soon. Bye bye!